Sony FX3 Mark II, a game-changer in digital cinematography. The world of digital cinematography is abuzz with excitement as Sony, a trusted leader in imaging and camera technology, is rumored to unveil its latest masterpiece, the Sony FX3 Mark II. More than just another camera release, this anticipated innovation promises to redefine workflows for filmmakers, videographers, and photographers. With its cutting-edge features and an impressive lineage rooted in Sony's FX series, the FX3 Mark II could open up new creative possibilities and set a new benchmark for cinematic storytelling. Building on a legacy. Sony's FX series has long been celebrated for its innovation, delivering high-resolution video, exceptional low-light performance, and groundbreaking imaging technology. The FX3 Mark II is expected to enhance these strengths, further cementing Sony's position as an industry leader. This release is not only about continuation but also about evolution, offering tools that cater to professionals aiming to achieve unparalleled cinematic excellence. Revolutionary features. Global shutter technology. A highlight of the FX3 Mark II is its rumored global shutter feature, a game-changer for action-packed sequences. Unlike the rolling shutter, which can cause distortion during fast motion, a global shutter eliminates these issues, ensuring sharp, distortion-free images regardless of the speed or intensity of the action. For creators capturing sports, wildlife, or high-speed environments, this feature could mean unprecedented clarity and precision. 4K at 180 FPS, mastering slow motion. Another standout feature is the ability to shoot in 4K resolution at an astounding 180 frames per second, FPS. This capability opens doors for stunning slow-motion sequences, allowing creators to showcase intricate details and fluid movements with remarkable clarity. Whether it's a fast-paced action scene or a subtle moment in nature, this level of slow-motion capture can add emotional depth and a cinematic flair that elevates storytelling. 5. Price for accessories and customization. Sony's focus on modularity, such as the rumored hot shoe design for attaching external electronic viewfinders, indicates that the FX3 Mark II will appeal to professionals seeking customizable setups. However, modularity often comes with additional costs for optional accessories like EVFs, battery grips, or external monitors. Buyers should anticipate these additional expenses, which could push the total investment closer to $6,000 to $7,000 for a fully equipped setup. Hybrid functionality, bridging photography and videography. The FX3 Mark II is poised to bridge the gap between photography and video, integrating features from Sony's A7S and FX series. This hybrid design allows creators to seamlessly switch between high-quality stills and video, making it an ideal tool for professionals who juggle multiple formats. Imagine transitioning from a photo shoot to a video project without needing separate equipment. This versatility could save time and maintain creative momentum. Powerful IMX811 AQR sensor. At the heart of the FX3 Mark II is the rumored Sony IMX811 AQR sensor, boasting 24.47 million effective pixels. This advanced sensor is expected to deliver exceptional clarity, detail, and high readout speeds, which are crucial for capturing fast-moving subjects without motion blur or artifacts. For filmmakers working on dynamic, high-energy projects, this sensor could ensure professional-grade image quality in a compact and versatile package. Designed for agility and stealth. Sony's focus isn't just on power and image quality, it's also about usability. The FX3 Mark II is rumored to feature a compact, lightweight, and quiet design, making it an excellent choice for documentary filmmakers and photographers who need to work discreetly. This emphasis on stealth and portability could make the camera a game-changer for professionals operating in sensitive or high-stakes environments. Enhanced customization and connectivity. Usability is further enhanced by features like a modular hot shoe design, which supports external electronic viewfinders, EVFs, for precise framing. This flexibility allows professionals to adapt the camera to their shooting style, whether they prefer handheld minimalism or require the precision of an EVF. Enhanced connectivity options are also expected, streamlining workflows for creators who value